Friday, May 27th, 2022. Dear Diary, the Lord does not shield you from the storm. He does shelter you from the storm. John 14:18. I will not leave you comfortless. I will come to you. God is only a prayer away. See, there are many times we can do nothing about our external circumstances. We may not be able to see around the corners or the future, but God can. If we become concerned about the things that might happen, we will lose sight of the joy God has given us today. Our future is in your hands, God. You will see us through. Signed, your loving daughter. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a 4th cup of warm milk, about 110 degrees. The reason you want to do 110 degrees is because it's warm enough to activate the yeast, but not too hot to kill it or too cold so it doesn't activate. Second thing you're going to do is get 1 tablespoon of yeast, and now it needs something to feed it. So you're going to want a sweetener. Today, I use 2 tablespoons of honey, but if all you have is sugar, that's fine too. All right, now we're gonna add our other ingredients. We have this. We're gonna let this foam. We're not gonna add that yet. 1.5 teaspoon of salt. So now we're going to do 1 egg.
Mommy, I want my Chad and Erin, Mommy.
You wanna crack it for me? Or I'm gonna be right here helping you. Thank you. Good job. 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay,
go ahead. Oil. 3 tablespoons of softened butter. 2 cups of milk. We're gonna add 2 cups of flour. Once that's pretty well mixed, you're gonna stop and you're gonna put on your dough hook attachment. Next, you are going to add 4 more cups of flour, so that's 6 cups of flour all together. I use non-GMO, unbleached bread flour, but you use what you have on hand. Okay, you can go ahead and add your yeast as you're adding your flour. So this is the final dough product and it looks beautiful. And now it is ready to go in a bowl and to rise for a couple hours. Okay, now it's risen. You're gonna break it up into 2 loaves. This recipe makes 2 loaves of bread. You can roll it all out into a rectangle, roll it up to the size of the pan if you want, or you can just fold it into itself a few times, kind of make it into a loaf shape, and then stick it into your loaf pan. Make sure that you oil your loaf pan so that your bread does not stick. I'm going to use olive oil today. Okay, now you're gonna stick it in the oven for 350 degrees for 20 minutes. After that timer goes off, Now you're going to add aluminum foil to the top of it so it does not get cooked too much, but continues to cook, most likely around another 15 minutes. If you want to know if the inside of your bread is cooked, it will reach 195 degrees, and then you know there's no doughiness left.